This is a solid 10-second car. This thing pops wheelies. Yes, Boosted Boys, shout out to Boosted Boys, they're into the sevens. But this one, he's getting there.
First, we'll remove some of the stock sound dampening in order to weld onto the firewall. Then, based off of the measurements from the Bentech software, we bend up the tubing. And we always double check our measurements. Some of the things that you need to keep in mind when bending your tubing is to go slow and make sure everything is level. You don't want to mess up a bend and have to go back and try and bend it the other way and cause more problems for yourself. And as you guys can see here, we use this marker to see what angle the tube is bent at. The bender that we use is from a company called JMR. This is one of the more higher end tube benders, but the process that we use applies to any bender that you may find, cheap or expensive. After we create the roll bar, we'll notches the sides in order for the other pieces to be flush with each other. After we notch, we'll mox up the roll bar to make sure everything fits and we weld everything together. We will be making a video on some tips and tricks on welding, so subscribe and look forward to that. Then, we installed the quick release kickout. If you guys want a dedicated video to this product, then let us know down in the comments. After a quick coat of paint, we start to assemble all of the pieces together, and the build is done.
And just like that, the job's done. I hope you guys use this video for reference when coming up with your own roll cages or roll bars. Bentech is a wonderful tool to use so that you guys can save money when it comes to materials and time, so that you guys can get your projects done on your first try. This is a sponsored video. Bentech is one of our sponsors. Please use their software. It works great. Until next time, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And always love it, live it, race it.